Hi, it's Steve, and I'm the host of this show. You know what it's called? My Puppet Show! Starring Steve, the emo puppet. But I'm not really emo, I just look emo. So, in this episode today, the episode's called Yo Mama Jokes. Hey hand. Hey sup? Hey, nothing much. Hey, you wanna have a Yo Mama Joke contest? Yeah, sure. So, Yo Mama's so hairy, the only language she speaks is Wookiee. Oh yeah, your mom was so dumb, she sat on the TV and watched the couch. Boo. Your mama is so fat. Your mom is so ugly that when she tried to enter an ugly contest, I said, sorry, no professionals. Oh, that's all you got? Well, that's all I got too, so. Yeah. Yep. Guess that's it. In the next episode of the Gay Puppet Show, which there probably won't be one, nothing, because there's not going to be one. Ha 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 ha.